It's such a weird feeling being halfway through a trip.
What are the odds you jump in?
1 out of 10.
1, 2, 3, 2.
You've already done so much, but there's still so much left to look forward to. In only 11 days, I'd photographed an engagement at the Matterhorn, wandered through Venice, explored Verona, and road tripped through the Dolomites. I'd seen places I used to only dream about, and yet here I was, sitting on a train, already reminiscing about a journey that wasn't even close to being over. I made it on this overnight bus. This is what it looks like.
Salzburg looks so great.
What a vlog, new country unlocked. We're in Austria. Here's all our stuff. Ashton's got her vlog.
New character unlocked.
We flew back to Munich.
New country unlocked, Austria. With Ransom. New character unlocked.
Oh, this is actually super cool.
Oh, it's Tuesday. Wait, so we come back tomorrow?
That way. Yeah, there you go.
Really? This is Heather in the wild. She's walking through the bubbles. Oh, goodbye. Oh, wait, you can see her through the bubbles?
What?
She's coming back. You can see her through the bubbles.
They're not opaque. Obviously.
Hey.
Good.
That was very close.
Dude, you're literally better with your eyes closed.
I got it.
Okay.
Don't open your eyes till the end.
Okay.
No way, you got all that on.
Shoot, bro. There's so many people.
Mozart was born there, and there's a grocery store right in the same building right now.
Wow.
Mozart and groceries.
Salzburg, latest. You will give me a smile. She studied right
Do
now.
my selfie stick.
These buttons.
Oh no, that's an army uniform.
Guys, we side quested so hard we ended up in Germany.
Selena?
Okay, guys. Yeah, yours does wider.
Yes.
Oh no.
Okay, cheers.
Oh, sorry.
That's pretty good.
Very light, very creamy.
Yum. Okay.
It will if you lick it. Don't lick it. Tiny little shop with in the UK.
Just went on a salt mines tour. Ashton, how did you think it was?
It was so awesome. A little scary at first because I thought the whole walls of the mine would collapse on me.
It was pretty cool, a little spooky. Unfortunately, no footage because they wouldn't let us film in there. And now we're wandering around Germany. There's
New country
Ransom.
unlocked.
Yeah, new country unlocked for some of us. Ashton's already a world traveler, so she's already been here, but
like it was the complete opposite side of Germany, so this is great. So
but they have mountains here. It looks pretty cool.
That's the one I got enjoying.
I saw birds and stuff.
So we basically got free shots, and now Ransom is making us take them. So now we're hiking down 4 flights of stairs to take some shot. Free shots. Do you want to be in our video? Just say hi.
I vlog. What's your
10 out of 10.
Probably.
10?
I think it's like a high score. Maybe a 7.
Okay, thanks for joining us. Very special.
I vlog.
Done with the lake.
What's up? What's your favorite spot that you've been to so far in Europe?
Lake Mondsee.
But really? This is your favorite?
I don't
Look how
know.
blue it is now when the sun shines. Okay, wait, what's your actual favorite one? I'm trying to interview you. Favorite place?
I've only been like 3 places
Munich?
so far. Munich was very cool. The castles were nice. Salzburg has been very nice and small. The fortresses were cool. The city's pretty nice. Nice sunset last night. Excited for the rest of the trip.
What part of the trip are you most looking forward to?
I feel like our hike tomorrow is gonna be a lot of fun.
Yeah, I think that's gonna be awesome.
And then I think Amsterdam is gonna be a lot of because I'm gonna be there for a while.
How many more days do you have left?
12?
12? 12 more days in Europe.
No, less than that, like 11.
11, 10 days left in Europe. We have literally 7. We have 1 more week. What's your favorite food that you've eaten so far?
The bratwurst probably in
Really?
Munich. That was
Oh,
very good.
Munich?
Everything's been good so far. Both the local
need to
food
get
and the internet, like the not local food.
Yeah, like the Chinese food.
like our
That
like
Chinese
our,
food's good.
our Chinese food, and I had Indian food in Munich that was good.
Do you need to get your schnitzel tonight before we
We
leave?
can. Oh yeah, don't forget about our double hot dog in,
Oh yeah,
in
we did.
Salzburg.
That's good. Better than I thought it would be.
Check out the food review.
Okay, we're on the side of the road. This is what we got.
This is what was recommended to us.
Does it have 2 links in there?
Yeah.
Are we hype? Ransom.
I'm super hyped.
It was $5.80 and Ransom paid $9 for €9, and he got clowned. What is this called? You ordered it in your special accent.
Basna.
Basna.
It's original Bosnia.
Okay,
Basna
ready?
from Salzburg.
Good.
Similar to a bratwurst, a little milder.
That's a good review. I was gonna say 10 out of 10. There's 2 in there, and mustard and onion. Do people actually like eat this stuff though?
Yeah.
I would recommend
10 out of 10.
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10? Oh.
If I liked mustard a lot, I think it would be 10 out of 10. But we made it to this church. looks very cool. It's very pretty. Everyone's like biking, it's super cute. Yeah, this looks very cool.
I think it gives you a chance to go back and go somewhere different.
Who's getting the better shot? TVD. Dang, that mountain looks so cool. Made it to the second train.
Woo! Second train! Welcome in.
Alright, this is our
Here's our
room.
little cart.
It's got a little mirror.
3 seats over here. These are adjustable up and down. And then we have these three, a nice window.
Got a big window.
This thing, little
Yeah.
table.
You can put all
And
your
this one
luggage
has
up
chargers
there.
at the bottom as well.
Oh yeah, there's chargers. Alright, about to unlock a new country, Czech Republic.